Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this super elegant incense holder and it's easier than it looks. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY home decor ideas. I used Das air dry clay for this project. It's super easy to work with and perfect for beginners. First, I give the clay a good knead to get it soft and smooth. Then, I just roll it out like dough. I just play around with the shape until I like it, and then I trim off the extra bits. I go in with a wet sponge to soften the edges and make it look more polished. This step really levels it up. At this point, I felt like it wasn't thick enough, so I decided to start over and add the rest of my clay to it. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a like and support my little channel. Your support honestly means the world to me. Now, I want to add some texture to the piece. I'm crumpling up a sheet of paper and pressing the clay onto it. Just like you see in the video, it leaves a really cool pattern. You can also press the crumbled paper on top of the clay if that's easier for you. Both ways work. Now I'm giving the clay the shape I want, just playing around with it until it feels right. When I want to join two pieces, I lightly score both sides and use a little clay and water mix to stick them together. It works like a charm. To finish it off, I poke a hole using an incense stick so it will fit perfectly later. Super easy. Once I'm happy with the shape, I let it sit out at room temperature for about a day or two until it's fully dry. Once it's completely dry, I go ahead and paint it. Once the paint's dry, I apply a layer of finishing wax and gently wipe it off with a paper towel. It really pulls everything together and gives it that polished look. I didn't want the final look to be too dark, so I'm going in with a paint wash. I just mix the paint with water, brush it on lightly, and wipe it off. It leaves a really soft texture effect. To finish it off, I add one last layer of wax to protect it. Just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then buff it with a paper towel. And here's the final result. I love it. And I love to hear what do you think. See you next week, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and support my small channel. Love you guys.